Okay, I'm gonna try this one-handed, but when I make barbecue chicken, I boil the chicken breast with a little bit of onion in there, and to get it shredded, I just stick the mixer right in there. I gotta do this one-handed, so let's see how this comes out. Oh my god, this will fly everywhere. Now you got some shredded chicken. I throw a bunch of barbecue sauce in there, some more onions and spices, throw it in the oven and bake it. Look at that, shredded inside the barbecue chicken. Remember, I boil the chicken in the same pot. Instead of shredding it with fork and knife, I just stick the blender right in here and go to town. Look at that. Just throw some barbecue sauce in there. Shreds that chicken right up. Redneck style. Ready for dinner?